Are you tired of paying expensive monthly subscriptions just to create AI talking avatars? Or maybe you're frustrated by those annoying daily limits. Well, what if I told you that you can create absolutely free and unlimited AI avatars using a tool you probably already have? In today's video, I'm going to show you the ultimate secret to generating ultra-realistic AI talking avatars using CapCut AI step by step and with zero cost. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right in and see how you can create these amazing AI avatars completely for free.
Alright, first things first, we need a 15 to 20 second video clip. I'm using this avatar from a YouTube news channel, but you can choose any avatar you prefer. To get your avatar clip from YouTube, you have two options. You can either screen record the specific part or download the entire video and extract the clip later. I'll be downloading it, so I'm just copying the link and downloading the video right now. Okay, once the download is complete, open the video in an editor to extract our avatar clip. I'll be using CapCut for this. First, open CapCut and import your downloaded video. Next, drag the video down to the timeline, trim it to create a 15 to 20 second clip, and simply delete the remaining parts from the timeline. Next up, we need an audio track or a voiceover. For this, I'll be using 11 Labs. However, if you prefer, you can use any AI voice cloning tool to clone the audio from your original video. Okay, once you're in 11 Labs, it's crucial that you use this specific script to generate your audio. If you use anything else, CapCut won't allow you to create the custom avatar. I'll leave the link to this docs file in the video description below. So simply copy the script from the document and paste it right here into 11 Labs. Finally, choose a voice you like, generate the audio, and download the file. Now, go ahead and import that audio into your editor. Make sure to adjust your video clip's length so it perfectly matches the voiceover. After that, feel free to customize the video a bit to your liking. Add any tweaks you prefer. Once everything is synced up and looks good to go, just hit export and save your file. Okay, now there are two ways to create a custom avatar using CapCut. You can use CapCut Desktop or CapCut Online. You can choose whichever option works best for you, but for this tutorial, I'll be using CapCut Online. Alright, once you're in CapCut, head over to the left side menu and select the AI Video Maker tool. From there, click on Storyboard Project. Once that opens, click on Add Narrator, then select Avatar. From this menu, go ahead and click on Create Your Avatar. Now, CapCut will first ask you to upload a selfie. You don't actually need to upload a selfie here. Instead, just upload the video clip we prepared earlier. Check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and hit the Next button. Next, CapCut will ask you to upload a consent video. You can simply upload that exact same video clip again. Once the upload is complete, click Next one more time, and finally hit the Submit button. Now, just hang tight for a bit. It usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes to generate the avatar, so please be patient. Okay, as you can see, my custom avatar is finally ready. Now, let's dive into how you can actually create a video with it. To make the video, we're obviously going to need a script. I already have one prepared that I'll be using for this. Just copy your script and paste it right here into the script area. You can simply press Ctrl+V. Once your script is pasted, click on Add Narrator, select the custom avatar you just made, check the box that says Apply to all scenes, and then click the Generate button. Now, just give it a moment. It might take a little time to generate depending on how long your script is. Just a quick heads up, CapCut only allows you to generate up to 10 minutes of video at a time. But don't worry, if you need a longer video, you can just export this one and then repeat the process with the next part of your script. And that's it. By following this method, you can create absolutely unlimited talking avatar videos using CapCut AI. Alright, let's take a look at the final result.
Imagine this moment for a second. You open your laptop one morning, log into your brokerage account, and there it is. The number you've been chasing for years, $800,000.
And there you have it. By following this method, you can easily create absolutely free and unlimited AI talking avatar videos using CapCut. If you have any questions about this tutorial or AI in general, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Catch you in the next AI video. Until then, take care.